Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fade in audio in Premiere Pro. Now, you want to fade in audio because your audio will suddenly be really high when you start to speak. So you should fade in your audio at the start of the video. So I'll show you how to do that. So just open up your Premiere Pro. Then from here, make sure your clip is selected and you have your audio layer here. From then, just go to FX. And from here in the search bar, search for fade. Scroll down a bit, go under audio effects, and from here go to exponential fade. Just select this and drag and drop at the beginning of your clip. And after that, just select how much of the audio you want to fade. Let's say this much. As you can see right here, I have selected this much. Let's just play this video right now. Welcome to TechCaliper channel. And if we do more, it's gonna sound something like this. Welcome to TechCaliper channel. As you can see, the audio is exponentially fading in. And that's basically how to fade in audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.